How do you keep finding me? This place is literally a maze.
Instead, you could improve your aim. Your movements are so predictable.
Well, at least I'm not camping in the corner like this bot over here.
Hey, I'll have you know it's strategic positioning, not camping.
That was ridiculously easy.
Is that the same strategic position you use in Fortnite?
No, yeah, but who cares? A dub is a dub.
Let him hide if he wants to. It doesn't change the fact that your team lost. You know what that means.
So now that that's done, I got some news from a buddy of mine in ASB.
Hey, Diego! How's my favorite homecoming king doing? Yeah? I'm on ASB. What's up? What about action? Hey, scramble.
Get out of here!
He says he knows the guy who makes the action theme.
I thought ASB makes it.
No, that's the thing. They hire some guy to make the theme. Apparently, it minimizes leaks, and they haven't leaked a single theme since hiring this guy. Anyway, my friend did some snooping around, and he found an Addy.
An address? That's all he could find?
Apparently, that's the only info we have. But we have his address, so I mean, he's bound to have a theme somewhere in his house.
Guys, I don't know about this. Like, isn't that illegal?
Freshman, shut up, dude. You got your ice cream. You don't get to talk. Come on. Are you in?
Fine, we go. But only if he's not there.
Let's go!
And at the first sign of trouble, we dip. Deal?
Deal.
Are you sure this is the right place? It seems pretty remote.
Well, I mean, that's what it says on Google Maps. Come on, let's go. Whoa.
This place is creepy. Let's check it out.
Of course we picked nighttime to check out a shady shack in the middle of the woods.
Yo, guys, I found a door.
Alright, fine, we go in. But at the first sign of trouble, we bolt. And be careful.
Okay.
Bruh, this guy's got issues. Are those action themes?
Yeah, that's Minotaurs, juniors from 2 years ago.
Wait, that's Thanos from last year. Then that means... Oh my god.
Dude.
Is this a spider?
saw us. We're gonna be in so much trouble.
Rylan,
Mom
relax.
is gonna
It's
kill
fine.
me.
It's dark. You probably couldn't even see our faces.
She's right. We should all just calm down. There's no way he could have seen us.
I don't know. There was something off about him. Maybe Rylan's right.
The day the freshman is right is the day they win action. Swine. We'll just chill out and see each other at school tomorrow.
Fine.
You good?
Yeah, you.
Dude, I'm great. I can't believe the action.
Hey! You two back there! Silent reading!
Sorry, Mr. Wang.
I wonder how Rylan is doing. How are you doing?
Not good. I didn't get much sleep last night.
Me either, but maybe they're right. It was pretty dark. Maybe there's nothing to worry about.
I don't know. I might be crazy, but I'm pretty sure that guy's eyes were glowing.
You're right. You are crazy. We should keep grading our homework.
What's up, guys? How are you?
Hey.
Pretty good. How are you?
Good. Let's roll.
So how was that culinary arts test?
I think it went pretty well, but I think like my pancake is still stuck on the ceiling, but it's not a big deal. You guys wanna go get some ice cream later? It's on me, I don't really mind.
I'm down.
Are you kidding me? Are we not going to talk about what happened last night?
What about last night?
A man was chasing us. What would have happened if he
Dude,
caught us?
It's fine.
Relax, it was probably some old bum. Most he would have done is just scold us. It's not a big deal.
Big deal. His eyes were
Yeah,
glowing
no,
blue. I know
seriously,
what I saw. I'm
we're
not
fine.
crazy.
Dude, chill.
Whatever.
Maybe we were too hard on him. Yesterday was kind of crazy.
You're right, but he should still be grateful he got to know the action theme early. Kids would die to know the theme early.
Can I go home? I'm not feeling it today. I got a lot of homework.
Yeah, for sure.
It's fine. We can just go to my house after and hang out.
I bet. Dude, I'm so hyped for action. I can't believe the theme is. Oh, hi, Denzel.
Yeah, it is a pretty great theme. Maybe we should apologize to Rylan tomorrow.
No, I'll be fine. A few games of Fortnite, he'll be back to normal. I'm not surprised how he's acting. I mean, worrying is what a freshman does best.
What? No. Why did my TV turn off? Oh, he's gonna win!
Harika,
Here.
Casey.
Here.
Allie.
Here.
Colin.
Here.
Vadit.
Here.
Ella.
Here.
Rylan. Rylan. Anyone? Rylan. Guess he's absent.
Guys, Rylan wasn't here today.
And?
And I'm worried about it. He's not the type to miss school.
Look, he's probably just sick.
But he was fine yesterday.
And maybe what happened to him a couple of nights ago scared him out of coming to school. It's not our job to constantly watch him or anything. It's not like we're his parents.
If you really want, we can go check up on him after school, but right now we have to go to class. Ella. 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 You okay?
Yeah, I thought I saw something, but then it...
Okay, well, we have to go. I'll see you after class, okay?
Bye.
I'm just solving for a gin. Oh, this is the chemical equation that we just did.
A man was chasing us. What would have happened if he caught us? His eyes were glowing blue. I know what I saw. I'm not crazy.
Barbecue sauce all over. Ella?
This is serious.
I know it is. We're screwed, dude. The freshman was right.
I get it. We're both shaken up, but we have to help Ella.
I know we do, but how are we gonna do that?
Oh my god, he's been watching us from the start.
Hello?
Diego,
Ella?
please, you gotta help me. I escaped that man and I'm running in the forest where his shack was. Please, you gotta help me. I don't know how long I have before he finds me.
Don't worry, we're gonna get you out of there. Just hang on a bit longer. We're gonna save you.
Okay.
Bye, Ella.
Bye, Diego.
Anna? Anna! Anna! Anna, where are you?
Over here! Hurry!
Anna, where are you?
Diego, come get me. I'm over here.
Ella?
Diego, you gotta help me, please.
Rylan?
Diego.
Diego! Diego!
Diego!
Diego!
Diego.
Students would literally die to know the action theme early.
Hey, this is Mrs. Gonzalez. Is the theme done yet? We're so excited we can't wait. Great, that's awesome. Are there any leaks that I have to worry about though? Okay, that sounds great. It's been really fun working with you again. See you later. Bye.
Can I have a job application? I brought my own spatula.
Wanna play? Wanna play? I like to be hugged. I like to be hugged.
Why do you kill?
Well, it's a hobby, really. It helps us relax.
Hello.
awake long enough. So when you finally slept, you'd never wake up again.